Okay, again, so this is cameraing from the deep connection after the boundary trap, looking back towards it. This is looking at the junction before it turns vertical. It's completely sheared off and sunken. The boundary trap itself appears to have sunken. So what he's getting through there is probably a 50mm gap that is supposed to be 150mm. That's all tree root and dirt there, and that is the boundary trap up this way, down there. So everything's catching on this major lip here, major break, and barely getting through and washing away dirt. So the more dirt that washes away, the more it sinks and the more it's going to block up. From here, it drops vertically straight on top of the Sydney Water main, which is just there. Okay, a little bit after progress shot of cutting, we've cut a hell of a lot of earthenware away. Up here, that's the boundary trap there. So we've achieved 90% of the opening opened back up again. So ready for relining. After a good clean out, we'll be good to go.
Probably just pushing straight in there.
Junction pipe in, fixing up the broken 85, the square junction on the deep connection. Seal it all up before we shoot the boundary trap. Come down, that there is the new one that we've had to robot cut into the shaft due to how it's sunken down. We're now looking back up, that's the weir of the boundary trap. So all sealed up. Ready for relining of the boundary trap. 3 metre deep boundary trap, goes to a square junction to a deep connection, totaling about 4 metres depth to the main. All sealed up in one continuous fiberglass lining. Boundary trap, going around the boundary trap now. Just looking at out of the exit of the trap, square junction. And then down onto the vertical, which is yet to be reinstated. Okay, boundary trap reline. This is Magma 3H fiberglass liner. This is liner just poking into the shaft, seal it all up. This is the boundary trap here, it's perfectly smooth. Comes up and out, really smooth boundary trap. Now looking down the next inspection opening, takes us to deep connection, so that's the junction there from the boundary trap. Here we camera down all the way to the main, so relined right to the main, sealed up all joints.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.